One last observation. What color is the spice?
I think the spice is the white thing inside.
You think it would be what?
The white line.
Okay, it does have a white line, but what color is it?
Like tan.
Okay, you can write that down in your observation.
Green and orange. It looks like
Some are green and light orange. Some are tan. What about its texture? Is it smooth or is it rough?
rough.
Okay, that's another observation. How do you think it would feel?
Actually, it looks like
Don't touch it under the microscope. Did it look smooth or rough?
rough.
Yeah, these do, and like, look at the creases on here, like the lines and everything. So what colors are we seeing? What are some colors that we're seeing? We have some
Black, white, tan, no,
black,
brown.
some brown. What about the textures? They look, what's some textures that we're seeing here? Wrinkly, okay, what else? They look smooth. What about this little rough edge right there? See it? Looks like a slug.
Does anybody else need to look at it again? So again, tell me the differences between the table salt and the sea salt when we look at it.
Well, the other one was like smaller, and this one was like bigger,
Okay, what about the size? Or not the sizes? What about the color?
more white.
What word did we use when we looked at the table salt? It was what? Translucent, where you can see.
It might take you might have to hold it still.
There you go. Now we'll go to the picture.
All right, we're gonna go get our next one.
It looks like little squares, doesn't it? And it's got some wine in there too.
So, doing our change this, I want to say your lunch.
So have you all ever tasted black pepper?
Yes.
What kind of foods is black pepper in?
Chicken.
Chicken. So it might be in the recipe. Meat.
So where was that?
I like the different detail you have in your picture.
It's already sour, like I'll put salt on it.
No, okay, like
That way we put ice and stuff in there.
how do you pronounce this?
So do we want to say no lunch boxes? You're sending your lunch in a gallon.
Coming.
Are you all ready?
Let's do this one now.
And you want to say it's cold.
Alright, what observations can we make about these?
They look like veggie sticks.
They do look like veggie straws, that's what I was thinking.
Piece of a starfish.
What about, what else do you see?
It looks like a piece of a starfish.
A piece of a starfish. What about this line down the middle, right?
Green beans, just a different color.
Yeah, what kind of colors? There's some. What differences can we make about this and the dill? Orange and dark green. What colors was the dill? The dill was green, right? It kind of looked like, let's see. See the difference? But even though they still kind of look similar, right, on the side, but once you really look under the microscope, you can see how different they are. Okay,
Write that down. What color is it?
Black, white, and gray.
Oh, how is this different from sea salt?
It's dark.
It's dark. It's dark colors. What color was sea salt? White. It was white, and this is black. What about the texture of this? Is it smooth or rough?
Yeah, Luke, make sure you don't touch your hair.
Okay, is it opaque or transparent? What do you think? What'd you say? It's opaque. You can't see through it. You can't see through to the depths.
Let's say I go to
What else does it look like?
What's our observations here? Looks like cheese.
Something you would see outside. Rocks, that's right. It looks like rocks.
Everything can't look like sand.
That's what I'm saying.
You want to try it? Go ahead.
Yes,
What colors are you seeing? Uh-huh. What's that look like compared to the celery seeds? Is there a big difference? Dusty? Powdery? That's a good word. Were you getting your observations, Sam?
Yeah, I already have one now.
Okay.
I have 3.
What's your observation?
Mine? Well, I haven't run down, but I have one.
Okay, what is it?
Small.
It's small?
Looks like ginger.
Well, it's called ginger.
Dill pickles?
That's a good question.
They're green.
Do you think that they put this on dill pickles, or do you think?
I think they're just called dill pickles because they have something in common.
Okay. Let's see. Maybe you can find something in common.
Whoa! You're touching it! Don't touch it! She's not touching it.
I think you guys on this side might be blocking the light.
Oh. Wow, it's really dark.
There we go.
No,
It looks like green.
there it is.
Like green beans.
It looks like grass. Mini green. It looks like grass. Ew. What was it? Was it
Do you see any similarities between this spice and one of the spices you saw before?
Yeah, rosemary. Yes.
Rosemary. What do you notice? What's the same about it?
They both look they both look really rough. They're in like stick. And they both look green.
Okay. Then how do you know that they're different?
Because one's one color, one's one's rougher, and one's a different color.
Make sure you write your observations so that you can tell the differences between them.
Why does one I know somebody was doing observations on me, they were saying the same thing. Other than the first thing. Weird,
It looks more rocky. Okay. Which one was this one? This one. Let's flip it over. Let's see. Which one? This one was ginger. So what did we say about ginger? It looks... What kind of texture did we? It looks a little bit thicker than... Which was our other one? Which other one looked really similar to the ginger? The white pepper, yeah. What was the difference between the white pepper and the ginger? The ginger looked a little bit, that's the white pepper. Right on the side, they look pretty similar. What's the difference? This one's a lot more thicker and looks more like breadcrumbs. Okay, so which one was this one?
It's called dill.
This one was dill. Okay, so let's look to that. You guys want to write down anything else about dill?
So how is this different than white pepper? You said that it was some pieces are bigger. And I see, you see those big pieces right there? Did white pepper have that? No. So those pieces, they're more puffy. Okay. So that was ginger. Does everybody have their drawing observation? Okay.
Which one did we get most confused with earlier?
Oh, you guys confused ginger.
Ginger. Okay.
But
So
they both have the same color.
right? So
Except
C,
one's thicker.
thicker. What do you mean by thicker?
Like it's more fat.
Are you on video?
I got everything. White peppers. I know what ginger looks like because I'm next.
No.
And like that looks like gravel.
Take that.
Is that a worm? Oh, there's more hair. Oh, that looks like
Hey guys.
Okay. What do you notice? How is this spice different from ginger?
Ginger is more bold.
Okay, hold on. You first. Can't talk over.
All one color. This is like darker. Some of the spots like some of them are like darker than the other ones. Some of them are all white. Some of them are like yellow polish.
Ladies, it's not hair, it's glue from the slide.
Oh, you knew that.
So, okay, so color. Anything else?
So black pepper had bigger
This looks more like gravel.
than the white pepper did.
Okay.
What is
So
it?
not just the color.
White pepper.
This is white pepper.
White
Yes.
pepper wasn't there a different color? It wasn't just white, was it?
Like this looks really like confetti. It has different colors.
The worst birthday color.
Are these pieces coarse, which means they're thick, like some of the jagged rocks we saw earlier, or are they fine?
They're fine.
Is there anything you guys want to go back and look at while we're still waiting for a couple of people to finish up?
I'm good.
Is there any that you want to see again? That you're not sure about? Did you want the celery seeds?
Okay.
Sea salt is pointy and rigid. And what about table salt?
White potatoes yesterday after school.
It's rounded and has a defined shape. Was sea salt transparent or opaque? It was opaque because you couldn't see through it, and table salt you could or couldn't see through. You could see through it. So table salt looked like little circles, and sea salt looked like it was like a long rectangle with a point on it. They were more rigid.
It has its own very distinct look. If I was to put this up there against rosemary, could you tell me the difference? Could you tell me which one was which?
Yes, like a baby.
Okay, what's rosemary look like?
Straws.
Straws? Are they similar in color?
Yes.
Yeah. I think maybe this one has a little bit more green tint, right? Did you get it? Did you ask your observations? Do you need it? It's okay. Okay, is there any of the ones you want to see under the microscope again? Do y'all want to see any of them?
I didn't notice that.
I got them first. It's my hair.